This is me delivering on my promise of making a video this week for this purpose. Welcome to a new series I'm going to call the Startup Help Desk, where I'm going to visit a bit of startup stories and find out how I can help them with what they want to do in the business sense, because basically that's what I do. I'm a business developer and I go by Venta. If you like what you see here, subscribe for more, and every resource that I tell you about here is going to be found in the description section below. I want a SaaS that helps e-commerce brand track influencer ROI. Yeah, so that is a very easy question, right? The problem is, I feel the problem, and it is something that is as easy as the solution is. The problem itself is not easy to admit, and the fact that you admitted a problem is a very huge step. My heart goes out to you. So this, basically, if you don't want people to encroach on your initial customers, like you said, product hunt, there are many people that are competing against you in product hunt. And if you don't want these people to really take your business and spin it for a ride or whatever, I would really recommend you start by fixing those things, because it might sound simple, but in your own case personally, the customers, the people that are using your products, the people that want an improvement, have already given you the direct message. They've already told you exactly what they want. So it's not something that you need to go around looking about, right? You may need to get a bit more data to support this. Fundamentally, you are good. Fix what they are having problems with. Basically, even right now, say the features that you are running, stop there for now. Make sure that you reduce churn. Churn is a villain in this kind of story, right? Churn can make OpenAI go from $1 billion company down to maybe $200 million because of the way customers are living. So you have to satisfy your customer that you have before going out to look for other customers, because a very underrated thing that people don't know is that when you are building something, right, your customers, the one that you got without having to do any stress, those ones are the ones that will call and bring other people into your business. I mean, the early adopters. The early adopters are the ones that are going to go out there and bring more people into your business, because they feel like they are part of the community. Especially if you build a personal brand around the product itself. Think Feed Hive, any of the other creator-led startups. So if you can do something that's similar, you are really, really on the right track. So this is not something that is really difficult. I might cover more complex stories more further we go into this, but for now, this is a very good story, and it's, if you can hear this, if you are listening to me, you are tuning into this, just fix what the customers have problem with initially, and you are golden, really. And I will tell you this for free: don't add new features. Don't add new features. Try and optimize the features that you currently have, because if I was the one running that kind of agency and using your platform, I really want to, present to my own clients the data that I've gathered over the weeks. So having a Google Sheet export is a very, very huge factor in it. So me knowing how to present my data, very big, very massive. So first things, fix your data. Second thing, fix the customer problem that you have. And third things, optimize the features that you currently have. So just 3 steps and you're done.